Figure 8 practice. The Figure 8 practice drill provides the student a chance to work on their turning and maneuverability while teaching when to turn. Because of the rear wheel steering of a forklift, operators must know when to start a turn and how to maneuver around corners. Like all practice drills, there is no scoring and no end to the drill. Operators can maneuver around the course as many times as necessary to perfect their skills. For more advanced VR users, the drill can be performed in reverse. Because forklifts turn differently while traveling in reverse, advanced users should perform drills backwards as well. While there is no scoring, the recording feature is still active and instructors can review the student's performance after a practice drill is completed.